Okay, this is what you do when you've got an epic rainstorm. You play in your backyard if you can, or at a park. Here comes Bo. Hi, Bo. Hi, Bo. Are you in the rain? Hi, Jules. Are you in the rain too? Hello. Hi, Daisy.
Wet my face is.
Hi, Daisy. I see how wet it is.